Hi, I am Tosif. This video is to showcase uh, my tool which I have done under this case study challenge, uh, which is this tool named as Privacy Sherlock. So let's begin. Uh, this is my directory where I have created some folders regarding my tools, like classifications. I also integrated AI in it, detection, PIA detections, injections, how we data integrating in like from MySQL, from S3 bucket, and from MongoDB. This is my virtual environment where I have some libraries associated with me and risk assessment visualizations. Here app.py contains my tool, which is a Streamlit app. So I will showing in upcoming in some minutes. So this is my main.py file which I use to check the functions. So this is just for to check the function. So yes, and this is my requirement.txt file which contains the library which I have which I am using in here. So now let's run my project. So I am in my directory and I have activated my environment. My environment name is my VNV. So let's run my Streamlit app. So this is my Streamlit app. Here is a short documentation like what we are doing. We are performing data ingestions. We are performing PII extraction, classification, risk assessment, and also the visualizations. So this is the documentation. Let's collapse it. We have to connect with the different servers. We have like MySQL server, Amazon S3 connections, and MongoDB. These three servers I have added to connect with these databases and to detect the pi. And I have to detect the pi. I have implemented two logic here, like one is regex and the second one is regex is totally mine, and the second is studio, which is a Microsoft library, open source library. So I integrated this library as well in my Streamlit app. Then some FAQs regarding like is it bleaching some data or not. So by the classification, if we did the classification, we can know, okay, if it is bleaching something or not. Then I added that this chatbot. So this chatbot I have been added because like if the I don't want to like if user don't want to go some other sites like ChatGPT to search anything, user can ask here if he or she have having some doubt regarding like privacy or something. So he can write here, I'm not sharing the like this data with the AI. This is just a chatbot, just like a chat GPT. So user just can write here and through ask query, and the it is written by Mixtral LLM model. Let's connect with the details. Let's provide my password. Let's see, my password is Tosi13123. Yes. To connect with MySQL, we required MySQL host, MySQL user, MySQL password, and our database which we want to be load here. So let's click on load MySQL data. It takes initially takes time to like to load the data of SQL. After some time, after some minutes, I will tell you for what kind of data we are which what kind of data we can detect using this tool. So like here is a message, data loaded successfully from MySQL. So we can again move like we can extract, and we can also we can extract and classify. But let's connect all those data. We can go with only MySQL data, but let's connect with the MyS3 connection as well. So it will add all this data and then analyze it. or we can do it individual as well. Here I am performing on all the databases, like all it will add the data which is on MySQL server, which is on Amazon S3, and which is on MongoDB. So let's connect with the AWS access key. uh, let's go here. It required key, I mean AWS access key and AWS secret and S3 bucket. So let's go here. Here I have did some like testing here. So here contains this is my key. I just do copy and paste. My AWS secret is here. Let's copy and paste it. And whatever the buckets in your S3, like my bucket name is my bucket 2CVNS, so I just copy it and paste it. So let's click on load Amazon S3 data. It is connecting to my uh, S3 Amazon S3 account, and then it will like load the data. It required a little bit of time to load the data initially. Let's wait. So what kind of data we are integrating, let's discuss it. So the data is of any kind, like from PDF of it can detect textual data, it can detect PDF, it can detect the data which is PDF it detects, and like let's see what kind it can detect. Yes, also I also added the directory feature. So if like directory, so if you are running from the like from the locally from the here, then you what you can do it, what you can provide a directory path, and from the directory path you can read this type of files like CSV, JSON, XLS, and TXT, JPMG, and PDF. This kind of things you also can uh, analyze and analyze here, like in my Streamlit app I am not added it, but we can analyze this thing. So yes, I have successfully loaded the data from Amazon S3. You can see message here. Let's connect with the MongoDB connection. So we need to provide a URL and the database name. So let's go in my, this is my MongoDB URL. This is the database. This is my default database. I already set default. So let's click on load MongoDB data. So it's successfully loaded with the data from the MongoDB. Like I have said, we have two options. So let's go with the rejects option. Let's click on extract. So we have successfully extracted and classified. Our risk score is 0.53. What we can do it with the risk score is we can like if the risk score is closest to 1, it is like it's dangerous for us. It is if it is in the range of it is close to 0.5, we can say it is on medium, and like null type when it is close to 0. So this kind of data is presented in our database, including all these things like we can do individually, but here I am showing from all the these databases. So like financials, it has 167 data points. In personal it has 251, sensitive 281, and public is 0. And its distribution like financial, personal, sensitive. So we can from here we can see that the sensitive data is more here, and this is some data protection regulations, if anything bleaching or not. So like we can let's go with another option, which is Presidio, which is like which is of, as I told earlier, it is of Microsoft. So let's extract through this. Yes, we successfully extracted from Presidio. So like it detects like uh, some image URL, PAN card, like showing some emails. It's a phone number, but I guess it's a IP address is also detected, and email addresses is most detect. It's detect name of the person as well, so you can see from here. So like some URLs, GitHub profile, my name also he detected, like company name, David, like a lot of things he detected, like GSTN number, Aadhaar card number, mobile number, and like mobile number, credit card number as well. Um, Obviously, yeah, like it's not that much accurate, as you can see, like here showing this is person, but this is not person. We know that. But yes, somehow it's like in most the data like it's working good, like phone number, email address. So it direct like more. It truly detects something. So this I have showed the two way how we can detect. Now, if like if user want to know about anything, what do you mean by like what do you you mean by let's know about studio. This is Microsoft like what do you mean by uh, privacy? If you just want to know what do you mean by privacy, ask with the AI received. So like it is my question, and this is generated by AI. Privacy generally refers to the state being unauthorized intrusions or observations. So this is generated, and we can like continue with the conversation, and it will show on a whole chat here. We can remove the chat from this button as well. So this is all about my web applications, what it's doing, and for the extension part, I will like we need to like we need to change the text tag as well, and add those details which is mentioned in this like which is mentioned in the case study. So I will this explain on a PPT. So yes, thanks.